The 4DRC drone for soccer competition is an innovative, app-controlled RC helicopter designed for soccer enthusiasts and tech lovers alike. This Wi-Fi FPV drone blends the excitement of soccer with the thrill of aerial maneuvers, allowing you to enjoy real-time video streaming and interactive flying. With infrared induction technology and air pressure height maintenance, the 4DRC V49 drone ensures precise control and stability for dynamic aerial games, whether indoors or outdoors. Perfect for soccer matches, indoor arenas, or just having fun with friends, the 4DRC V49 offers an easy-to-use app interface that allows you to control the drone with ease. With FPV capability, you can experience the excitement of flying from a first-person perspective, making it perfect for soccer competitions or just having a blast with aerial maneuvers. Key features of the 4DRC drone for soccer competition. App-controlled, control the drone with your smartphone or tablet for easy, convenient flying. FPV capability, real-time video streaming with Wi-Fi FPV, allowing you to see exactly what the drone sees. Infrared induction technology, engage in dynamic aerial games and control the drone with infrared induction for enhanced interaction. Air pressure height maintenance, stable flight with automatic height holding, ensuring a smooth experience during soccer matches. Anti-wind ability, designed to handle wind speeds up to 10 km/h, ensuring stable flight even outdoors. Perfect gift, ideal for soccer fans and tech enthusiasts, providing endless fun for all ages. Ready to fly, no assembly required, making it perfect for quick, hassle-free setup and flying right out of the box. Specifications. Control channels, 4 channels. Motor type, brush motor. Flight time, 5 to 10 minutes per battery charge. Flight distance, up to 100 meters. Wi-Fi, FPV streaming capability. Anti-wind, less than 10 km/h wind resistance. Recommended age, 14+ years. Battery, rechargeable with USB cable. Size, compact, perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. What's in the box? For DRC V49 drone. Remote control. USB charging cable. Original box. Battery. User manual. The 4DRC drone for soccer competition brings the joy of soccer matches and aerial fun together, offering a unique flying experience. Whether you're looking to fly it indoors, compete in a soccer-inspired game, or just enjoy an engaging tech gift, the 4DRC V49 is the perfect choice for sports lovers and drone enthusiasts. Perfect for soccer competitions and games, indoor and outdoor entertainment, tech enthusiasts and drone lovers, gift giving for adults and teens looking for fun aerial experiences. Capture the excitement of soccer with the 4DRC V49 drone, an interactive and innovative drone that will take your fun to new heights. Please like, share, and comment to let us know how you'd use the 4DRC drone. Don't forget to subscribe for more drone reviews, unboxings, and flying tips.